So I am going to discuss one of the example of UPGMA method. So I have taken some random sequences here. With the help of these sequences, I will generate a phylogenetic tree by UPGMA method to show you how such sequences are related to each other. So I have given the name of these sequences A, B, C, D, E and F. Now, there are various steps to find a phylogenetic tree by UPGMA method. So, come to the first step. Firstly, you have to align the sequence against one another. Okay. Now, when you align it, then go to the second step, that is compare the sequence in pairwise fashion. What is pairwise fashion? That with one sequence you have to compare other sequences too. Like with A, you have to compare B, with A to C, A to D, A to E, A to F. Same with B, B to C, B to D, B to E, B to F. Same with C, same with D, same with E, and same with F. Okay. Now when you compare it, then you have to calculate how many differences are there. Means you have to find matches as well as mismatches. Like here I am showing you, when you compare A and B, then you have got three matches. Like you can see here G, G and GG. Okay. And there are 9 mismatches. Okay. Now you have to compare others likewise. Okay. Now come and then you have to complete the table. So this table is filled by only mismatches, not by matches. You have to fill it by mismatches. Okay, so when you compare A to B, then we will get 9 mismatches, and when you compare A to C, then we will get 2 mismatches, and with A to D we will get 4 mismatches, and with A to E we will get 9 mismatches, and with A to F we will get 10 mismatches. Same with B, C, D. When you compare B to C, you will get 9 mismatches from those sequences, and with with B to D you will get 6 mismatches, and with B to E you will get 2 mismatches, and with B to F you will get 10 mismatches. Okay. Now same with others, you have to compare it. Now identify the sequence with fewest difference. What is fewest difference? You have to find the lowest value in the matrix. Okay. So here you can see that lowest value is 2, and 2 is in 2 place. That is, when you compare the sequence A with C, you will get 2, and when you compare the sequence B with E, you will get 2. I have shown it with red color. Now come to the step 5. Draw the first grouping in tree as A and C with 2 mismatches only, and B with E 2 mismatches only. So it shows that they are closely related to each other. That is, A and C are closely related to each other, and B and E are closely related to each other. Now come to the step 6. What is for AC as single entity? Actually, now consider AC as single entity and BE as single entity. Now for right now you have to consider for AC as single entity. Now fill the matrix again by determining the average distance between AB and CB. As you have ACS, consider AC as single entity, so you don't have to write the C column. Okay. Now compare with B, D, E and F and B, D, E and F. Now write it in both axes X and Y. Now with 8, how you will find the average? To compare AC with B, you can find average as AB plus CB by 2. I think you all know that how to find average. So here you can see the distance between AB as 9, means there are 9 mismatches, and with BC you can see here 9. Okay, let me see. Here you can see 9. So 9 plus 9 by 2. Same with others, like how you'll find AC with D average. So AD plus CD by 2. So what is the value of AD? From this matrix you can see that AD is 4 and CD is 5. CD is 5 and AD is 4. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 by 2. So 4.5. So okay. So you have to fill like this all the table. And when for others, rest others are copied from the above matrix. Okay. Now come to the step 7. What is that? Now generate for another entity, means now we have to extend the matrix for another entity which we have discussed, that is BE. Now you have to write B as group together like S as AC. Now complete the table with B group together. To fill this matrix, calculate the average distance between ACB and AC. As you can see that AC and B and then AC by 2. Okay. So from the above matrix, you can see that ACB and AC. What is ACB? 9 and ACE. ACE is 9. Okay. So 9 plus 9 by 2 is equal to 9 plus 9 by 2 is equal to 9. So here you can see that there is 9. Now same with as you have already filled about AC with distance D 4.5. Now B with D, how you have filled this 6. For D, calculate the average distance between BD and DE by 2. Okay. So 6 plus 6 by 2. From the above matrix you can see BD and DE. BD is 6 and ED is 6. So 6 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Now again find the lowest value from the matrix. Okay, so here you can see that the lowest value is 4.5. So I have shown it in red color. Now step 9 is that to identify the sequence with the fewest difference between them. Now draw a tree as second grouping. D is closely related to AC. You can see here that D is in the line of AC. So you can think that, and you should know that now D is closely related to AC as it is very low mismatches. Okay, so 4.5 as compared to other. So D is closely related to AC. Now consider ACD as single entity and B as another entity. So we have two entity again here. Now come to the step 10. What is that? Construct another matrix in which ACD is single entity. So ACD and B is same, written as same, and F. Okay. So to fill this, take the average of ACBE, okay, and DBE. So from the above matrix you can see that ACBE, so ACBE is 9 and DBE, so this DBE 6. See here BE, and first one is ACBE, okay, and this one is DBE, so DB is 6. You can see. Now so you have filled 9 plus 6 by 2, so 7.5. Now add the last grouping to 3 as this matrix, so B is closely related to ACD. Okay. Now you can see here that BE is in the line of ACD, means B is closely related to ACD. So here we have drawn. Now come to the step 12. Now left with the value F as it is showing the same distance from ACD and BE. You can see here ACD and BE. Same distance from ACD and same distance from BE. So put F in such a way that it shows the similar distance between ACD and BE. So put it in bottom. Okay. Hope it is clear to you. I have tried my best. Thank you.